Right, tutorial number 8 and task 1. So first, you can see that I have this jumper here and this jumper here. So the jumper here over here is basically the input of the low pass filter, and the one on the left, so on the left hand side, is PE3, and the other one is the input of the low pass filter. And the output header here is a header just behind the IR decoder over here. So if you put a jumper on the top, there's a little metal wire on the top that I can probe. You can hook this up to the little wire and probe it. Okay, so the code is provided, and you need to open the PuTTY session. And first, you need to press S. And so if you press S, the duty cycle is set at 50%. So you are seeing something like this, right? It's just basically 50% digital signal, and it's getting delayed because of the low pass filter. And then you press any key on the keyboard, just any key on the keyboard, to cycle through all the duty cycle values in the array, and it's going to show you different time delay effects. Okay, it's cycling back